Are you looking for a filament printer but don't know which one to choose? Well, you've come to the right video because that's exactly what we're going to explore today in this top 3 comparison of the best filament printers available on the market in 2020. I will therefore present to you the best models, the highest rated in descending order of price, hoping that this will help you save time in making your choice. And of course, to order one of the printers or to see more information, there will be all the links right below in the video description. So let's start with the first model, which will be the quality printer Ender 3 from the brand Creality. It will really be an interesting choice, especially considering the ratings, as it has 4.5 stars out of 5, based on over 5,900 reviews, which is definitely a very good point, a price that will be slightly higher than the others, but there is not a big difference. It is a very reasonable value for money. You will have a self-developed silent motherboard with a power supply that will be produced by a listed company, which will truly meet all your needs in terms of rapid heating and long-lasting printing. So, to obviously achieve a quality detailed print, with a print resume function, you will be able to resume the print from the last recorded position of the extruder. So if there is ever a breakdown, a power outage, or something like that, it will save you time and prevent you from wasting filament, plain and simple. We will have a glass platform that will allow you to activate the heating much more quickly and have prints that adhere better without deforming, etc. So a rather interesting point is that it is a model that will be quite comprehensive. It's no coincidence that it is one of the most high quality and popular products on the market. With a great rating, you will most likely be able to go V. This choice is for you if you want to have a quality filament printer. And in terms of dimensions, we will have a size of 22x22x25 cm. So it depends on whether the size of the platform suits your needs based on what you plan to print with it. So it's a choice that I really recommend. For more details, it will be the first link in the description for the product we are going to see. This is the Anycubic printer, so it will be a model that is similar in price with not much difference. Good improvements with a rating of 4.4 stars out of 5, although it will still be much less popular than the previous one. You will have an easy assembly, a fast printing process, a user-friendly leveling system, precise filament exclusion, and a flexible plate covered with PU, which provides very good adhesion for the printed object. So it's really comprehensive. You will be able to see all the technical details by going through the second long description, but there are quite a few things. And the print size will go up to 220x220x250 mm, so it's about the same as the previous model, so there is no huge difference at this level. So it is a product that is of high quality, considering the dimensions, the nozzle diameter, the precision, etc. It's very interesting. So in addition, the price is quite appealing. There is a good value for money, so clearly it is a model worth checking out. And we will finish with the VOXELAB Aquila, so another filament printer. This time it will be 4.3 stars out of 5, based on more than 1100 reviews, so that's quite good. It is certainly a little bit less good than the first one, but it should also be noted that it is cheaper in terms of price by about 100 euros, so that makes a noticeable difference. Once again, we will have fast heating, silent printing, a glass bed, smooth printing with the print resume feature once again being possible, an automatic filament feeding system. So in fact, we have a filament feeding technology that will make the loading process much easier, making it very simple to use. With the color screen, improves user experience, easier. There is also an after-sales service provided. So there you go. It's not the highest rated product, but it still has quite a few positives. It offers a very good value for money. The printer is priced quite low, so it can also be interesting if you really have a small budget for this purchase. Well, that was it for this top 3 comparison of the best filament printers available on the market in 2023. Of course, I couldn't go into all the technical details of each printer. It would have taken too long. Of course, you can do it right away by following the links in the description. You will be able to see everything and decide which one you want to order. The links will be provided in the order the models appear in the presentation. So there you go, just below. To see the prices and explore everything in more depth, click on the links in the description. Yusen.